What is up, my study and or creative crew? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a look at a precision and detailed super handy tool. It's the HARDELL Mini Cordless Rotary Tool. So we've teamed up with them to bring you a closer look. Big thanks to them for making this video possible. This isn't your average rotary tool. It's a mini marvel, and it's packed with features that make it perfect for some of those intricate projects where every detail counts. The first thing you'll notice is the sleek black finish. It just looks and feels professional. But let's talk about control, baby. The little powerhouse gives you 6 variable speeds to play with. That's right, you can go from a gentle 5,000 RPMs for delicate polishing and detailed carving, all the way up to a zippy 18,000 RPM for more aggressive material removal. Whether you're working with metal, wood, resin, or delicate jewelry, you've got perfect speed at your fingertips that's easily adjustable, great for precision. Seeing is believing, and HARDELL has got your eyes covered. They got this super bright LED at the tip so you can always see what you're doing. Let's talk about the extra goodies this thing comes with. So 35 essential accessories. I'm talking carving, sanding, engraving, grinding, or cutting. You have 35 different accessories, but if this isn't enough for you, they also make a bigger one that comes with 80 accessories. They have a medium-sized one that comes with 69. Nice. I'll have all 3 of those in the description below so you can check them out. Find out which one's good for you. 35 is a great one to get started, and it should cover most bases. All of them are very comfortable to use. They have a pencil-shaped design, so they're very easy to hold. It's lightweight and easy to maneuver. It charges with USB-C, the same USB-C that's on your phone, so you'll always have a charger when you need it. But this thing has a 2,000 milliamp hour rechargeable battery, so you can be away from your workbench for quite some time before needing to plug in. If you want to pick up this rotary tool or their bigger ones, they'll all be in the description below. If you have one that you really like, let me know what it is in the comments below. I'd love to check it out. Thanks for checking this one out with me, and I'll see y'all later.